Here's the palace here in Nesvizh. Seen the hunter's room, the palace princess house, princess rooms, grand hall, gold hall, red hall, armory. Every palace have got exactly the same across the entire planet. At least it's not a kingdom here, Belarus anymore, or the former USSR state of Belarus. Now it is standing alone here, entertaining visitors to see what prince and princesses were up to in the old times. Most of the time they're all up to the same game, playing with the nature, troubling the wildlife, hunting them down, cutting the forest, making palaces, using the people of the surrounding space, controlling them, gaining upper hand on that population, get a church inside of the palace so they don't have to never go out to know the reality of life. Unlike the Buddha, he walked out of the palace and to realize life forever. An enlightened one on this earth. No other king was able to achieve that goal in life. Just Buddha managed to achieve that. I don't need to explain about the history here. All I need to explain about the reality of our history, that we should move on from history to a better well-being of humanity and this earth. Because when we come here on a temporary basis as a mortal piece of life, we need to recognize that we are here only as a piece of life like any other life that exists here and that came here. From animals to plants to minerals to resources, we must not abuse or use to our advantage for a very temporary time and accumulate and leave piles of wasted ground, wasted earth, lost lives and all of that. What we need to do is to bring about history to waken up our people to become an enlightened one and touch with the sense of sensibility to be part of this earth and the realization to be part of this earth. People died in the Second World War, and there's a commemoration or the memorial standing here to remember the fallen, and eternal lamp is lit here, and the kids when they came here did not even know how to respect this eternal lamp. They were screaming and shouting. Of course they were kids, and the teachers are unable to teach what is truly important in this life to these kids of the future, of tomorrow, of this world. If we want to have a new and an incredible new future of life, we have to come up with kids to blossom and thrive slightly different or better than how we performed on this land. Not go hunting about, not go killing and starting up wars and things like that. We should start up being conscious and remind ourselves what this life is all about. A mortal piece of life. Possibilities are endless, and ultimate goal in this life is liberation, is it? To liberate from this life and suffering. We must not have everything that we've asked for in a palace life. We should humble ourselves and connect ourselves to the earth, which I tried to do yesterday, up in the oldest father of forest here in Europe, which is almost barely surviving, almost surviving for its history. Sad. Wherever I go, I want to bring this this very message in every historical